Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, coming at you with some very exciting news from Visible. So first, what I'm going to do is go through this webpage here and kind of outline everything that Visible has to say about this new promotion featuring the ZTE ZPad tablet. And then at the end of the video, I'll kind of go over some further questions that I have about this offer. Not in a critical way, it just seems like there's a few things that I'm a little confused about still by looking at this webpage. So maybe in the comments, if anyone else knows anything about this, you can kind of fill me in on the details, but let's get started. So this new offer from Visible, which goes from the 27th of November, which is today, until January 2nd of 2019, consists of you getting a free ZTE ZPad tablet with purchase and activation of qualifying devices. So you can shop the qualifying devices. Essentially, if you get a Moto G7 Power, LG Stylo 5, ZTE Blade 10 Prime, Moto E6, or ZTE Blade A7 Prime, you will get a ZTE ZPad 8 tablet as a promotional gift. So that's really awesome. One thing for sure is that you shouldn't expect this tablet to be anything too impressive, I guess. It's definitely a lower end tablet. That's not a problem, but I don't want you to have any wild expectations about this being some sort of flagship iPad style tablet. It's definitely going to be more on par with the Amazon Fire tablets as far as performance goes and features. So just keep that in mind. Another thing too is that this offer is only available for people that are switching from another carrier into Visible. So you have to have an active number that you are porting into Visible. So if you're an existing customer of Visible, you will not be able to take advantage of this offer. And if you're creating a new line, you can also not take advantage of the offer either. It's only for people that are currently with one carrier and they're moving to Visible and transferring over their number. So like I said, as far as the tablet itself goes, don't expect it to be any sort of powerhouse for anything. It's more of a content consumption device. It'll definitely work well, for watching video content, browsing the web, and going on social media. But it's certainly not a laptop replacement or anything like that. What's nice though is that you are getting an 8-inch HD display with the tablet. You're getting dual speakers. You're getting 32 gigabytes of onboard storage, so that's pretty impressive. And you can see right here on their site, they mention specifically that the tablet is good for streaming, reading, or multitasking. So don't expect it to be like an iPad Pro, but on the other hand, it should at least be functional when it comes to doing some light duty tasks, such as streaming, reading, and multitasking. Now, they don't list the full specifications of the tablet anywhere, so I kind of have to guess, but it appears that the tablet does come with Android 9 Pie. Typically with ZTE products, nowadays, they come with stock Android, or at least a version of Android that's very close to stock Android, so in my opinion, that's a very good thing. And that's about everything that we know about the tablet itself. And then for plans, Visible offers one plan. It is a $40 a month plan that comes with unlimited data, messages, and minutes. It's powered by Verizon's 4G LTE network. Nothing new there. And another thing too is that when you're billed for that $40 a month, that includes taxes and everything, so it's a clean $40 a month. And if you do want to participate in Visible's Party Pay program, which is pretty much a group plan, you can get your monthly rate down to just $25 per month. I actually have a video on the channel just about Party Pay, so make sure to check that out. And then they mentioned some frequently asked questions. So how do I claim the offer? Easy, check your email. After you activate your new smartphone, you'll get an email from Visible with instructions on how to claim your tablet. How long will this offer last? All good things must come to an end, including this offer. Basically, we'll keep giving them away for all orders placed between November 27th, which is today, and January 2nd of 2020, while supplies last. Can existing members claim this offer? Short answer, unfortunately no. It's only good for new members who bring their number with them from their current carrier. But existing members who haven't already received one can get a prepaid MasterCard virtual account when they purchase a qualifying device. And then if you have more questions, they suggest that you either reach out to Visible Care by texting their number or tweeting at Visible Care. And then they have their full disclosure about the actual deal itself down below. So here's what isn't really explained on this promotional webpage that I'm just curious about. I just don't really see it mentioned anywhere here. And what I'm wondering is, how does the plan itself work for the tablet? So I'm assuming that this is a LTE enabled tablet, right? Because you can see in the photos here of the tablet, We have visible branding up in the top left corner, and there is a 4G LTE icon. So are you getting an extra SIM card from Visible that you put in this tablet? And if you are you charged separate for that? Or is that just included with the $40 a month plan that you're paying for with your main phone? And then you're just getting a free tablet plan? They just don't really mention that here. And this is the first time that we've ever seen a tablet supported by Visible. So if you're wondering whether or not you can just take this SIM card out of your ZTE ZPad 8 and put it into a unlocked iPad that has a SIM card slot in it, you cannot. So at the moment, iPads are not supported by Visible. Maybe in the future they will be. I certainly hope so. It would make sense. But at the moment, there is no tablet plan that Visible offers. They only offer the one plan, which is for phones, which is $40 per month. And again, $25 a month if you do want to max out your party pay. So they don't really go into detail with how the service itself works with the tablet, but hopefully they provide us with some more details about that as time goes on. But regardless of that, if you are looking to buy any of these devices, then I would say go for it, especially now or between now and January 2nd, because you can get the free tablet with these. Now for me personally, I do not really see a need to even have a dedicated SIM card with a tablet, just because Visible offers unlimited hotspot. So you can just use your hotspot with your tablet or with any tablet for that matter. So I'm not really concerned about having a tablet plan, but considering that they do have an LTE icon in the corner on this rendering and full bars on here too, it does appear that you would be getting LTE on board with the tablet itself. I just don't know how the plan works with the tablet. Do you get a free plan with your tablet if you're paying for a phone plan? How long does that last for? I have no idea. And I'm sure for some people, they do prefer to have LTE on board on their tablet versus just doing a hotspot from their phone. But hopefully some of those questions are clarified as time goes on. I'm sure I'm not the only one wondering this. And if you haven't seen it yet, I do have a first impressions video on my channel of the new ZTE Blade A7 Prime. I bought this phone about a week ago with my own money. I do wish that I would have waited for this new offer to come out, because then I would have gotten the tablet for free. But it is what it is. And one last thing that I just thought of that you might be wondering is if you can buy the tablet separately, and at the moment they do not offer the tablet in their shop at all. Now if you want to learn more about this offer, then definitely take a look at the link in the video description. But this is Kevin here. This is the latest Visible holiday promo with the ZTE ZPad 8 tablet. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and if you know any answers to some of the questions that I still have about this promo. But thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.